back to my channel. So today it's my birthday and look what is my present. An Avishkar A-Bot Advanced. Look at here. You can build so many things and you can also learn coding with it because they have given a manual which you can go in your computer, go online and do the coding of your robot. So as you can see here, these are the parts. This is the inbuilt chassis for it. Look at that. It's a bit heavy, you know. It's all made out of materials, these extra parts. It's so fun with these things. And then you could see here a brain and battery and these all things. And then we have motors, sensors and wheels with some more parts. So let's see it. First I'll take out the brain and battery box. We can see it clearly. Okay, I'm just taking it out like this. And I'll just take out the motors and motor sensor and wheel. Here we go. And first we'll open. You have seen the chassis. I'll keep it aside. So let's first see the brain and battery. Here we go. This is, I think, the key. Yes, this is the key. Oh man. I don't know. I think this is a type of wheel or something. We'll see that later, but let's just see the main parts for now. Look at that. That's the brain. We can program it with our computer. Here they have given, this is a charger. You can see here. This is for the battery installed in here. If you use battery, it's for here. This is the brain, and we should have a port somewhere here to program it from a laptop or desktop, whatever you have. And you see this wire? This helps it to program. This we connect this wire to this from up here, and then the second, you know. And so these were the main components from this. Now let's get on to the motors, sensors and wheels. Okay, so let's get on to these. Wow, look at the motor. I think it's the motor. Obviously it's the motor only. And look at that. These are the IR and touch sensor. And see that presses. That's like a button. And these would see around. And then we have the wheels with these other parts here. So that was great, right? I hope you liked it too, because I liked it very, 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 very much. So I'll make it and share it with you. I'll make one thing and it will be awesome. I'm so musical instruments, so I'll do that first. Okay, bye guys.